So in this second question, you are having two groups. Either you change tan 48 or tan 42, purple one, any one you change. And you have to change either 23, tan 23 or tan 67, okay? So I'm changing this first part only, tan 48, I'm changing tan, what I can write for this? 90 minus 42. Again, I can write here tan 90 minus 67. And tan 42, I'll write as it is. Tan 42, this one and this one I'm writing as it is. That is tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree. Children, anyone having doubt till here? No one is having doubt, I think. This is script clear to everyone,
No.
right? Okay. Why this is not? Okay, fine. So tan 90 minus 42 is what? Tan 90 minus 42 is cot 42. This is cot 67, tan 42, and tan 67. So see, this tan 42, 1 minute. This tan 42 and cot 42 will get cancelled because you know tan 42 is just writing here separately, cot 42 and tan 42. We know that cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. We can write 1 by tan 42 multiply by tan 42. So this will get cancelled. This will become 1. We can cancel it across. And this will cancel with this. So answer is what? 1. This got proved. Okay. Is it clear, children? Anyone having doubt till here? No one? So next part of it is cos 38 degree, cos 52 degree, sin 38 degree, sin 52 degree. So this is a combination of 90 degree and this is a combination of 90 degree. So either you change any one of these two and either you change any of these two. Any one you should change among these two. Okay, I'm writing here one yellow and one with some different color, that is blue. Any one of we have to change. So what we can do here, it is cos, I'll write here cos 90 minus 52. And here I write as it is cos 52 minus sin 90 minus 52 and sin 52. Anyone having doubt, children, here till here? Any one of you having doubt till here, children? So cos 90 minus 52 is nothing but sin 52. And cos 52 as it is you write minus sin minus 50, cos minus 52, so cos 52 sin 52. So this both are same. See, if you see here, this both are same. If both are same, if you subtract each other, what do you get the answer? 0. Is it clear, children? Anyone having doubt in question number second? Just think and
No
tell
doubt,
me.
sir.
This is very easy. Unless you have to read once, only once at home. You have to revise once. Okay, if you leave, you'll forget. So why after teaching, just revise once. Question number third. Anyone can do question number third? Question number third. Anyone has?
Yes, sir, I can do it.
Okay. What we can do here? Question number third. What we need to do here?
Sir, here it will be, sir, 10 18 degrees. Sorry. Yeah, 10 18 degrees. Then I think A equals to 9.
Tan 18 degree. How tan 18 degree came?
Sir, cot A minus 18 degrees is equal to tan 18 degrees. That's
What you are saying? Cot A minus 18 degree is equal to what?
Oh, sir, here A is there, right? 90 must be there.
Sir, convert the tan into cot and then solve it from there, which are inside the brackets.
Exactly. We can write tan 2a is equals to cot 2a. See, either you convert this both in same we should write. Either you write convert this both into cot or both into tan. Okay. So what we can do here, tan 2a we can write it as cot 90 minus 2a. Can we write like this? Tan 2a can be written as cot 90 minus 2a. Everyone agrees with this? Because cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is equals to cot A minus 18. If you see, you will get here both cot only. This side also cot, this side cot, also cot. It means that this both 90 minus 2a and A minus 18 both are what? Equal. Okay. So we can write it, you can write it as 20 minus 2a is equals to A minus 18. Can you solve? You can write here minus 2a minus a is equals to minus 18 minus 90. Then we can write minus 3a is equals to minus 108. This will get cancelled. So a is equals to 108 divided by 3. That is 36 degree. Anyone having doubt, children, over here?
Okay.
Everyone should see properly. If you are having small doubt, please ask. Any steps, you can ask 5 times. Don't hesitate to ask.
Actually, I have completed this before, so there is no.
Sir, can you once repeat?
Okay, fine. See what I'm saying, children. We have, if we have this both equal, no. Either this both, see here is tan and here is cot. Okay. If we make this both same, no, then our work will become easier. Okay. So that what we can write this is equal to this. But here in the question, what they have given here is one is tan A and one is cot A. So we are trying to convert here tan A in the form of cot A form. So we can write tan A in cot A form. What we can write? I just write in here. Just check. Tan 2A is equals to cot 90 minus 2A, because cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So instead of tan 2A, I have written cot 90 minus 2A is equals to cot A minus 18. I am not changing this part at all. This part is as it is. Now if you see this both, this cot and this cot are matching now. So inside these angles are equal on both sides. So I have written, I think after this nobody is having doubt. You are having doubt here only, this step only. Clear? It's clear?
Alright.
Who-
Yes, sir.
All right, fine. So next question number 4, you check. Tan A is equal to cot B. Children, here also the same case is arising here also. Here is coming tan and here is coming cot. But what to write instead of this tan? Either you convert both tan or you can convert both cot. So for this, just what you do is you just draw better one 90 degree this triangle. Okay. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. Don't write this is B, because A and B both sum is equal to 90 degree. It means both are acute angles. Okay. A and B is equal to 90 degree. It means both are acute angles. Okay, children.
Yes.
So take A is here, B is here. if you want to write tan A, you can write cot 90 minus A, we can write. No, we can't write. Can we write cot 90 minus A over here or not?
Yes.
See, tan A, we can write here what? Tan A, we can write cot 90 minus A. Cot 90 minus A is equal to what? Tan A. Now cot and cot is matching over here. We can write here 90 minus A is equal to B, or we can write A minus B is equal to A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Tell me if you're having doubt. I think you people may have doubt, but check. See properly if you're having only first line you understand means down part is easy to you. Only
Yes.
first line you understand. Tan A, see here, first concept only, the previous sum. Tan A is nothing but we can write cot 90 minus A. Here was 2A and here is only A. That is the only difference. That is the only difference.
All right.
So next question, children, you should solve and tell me. Question number 5th. Question number 5th, you solve and tell me, all of you. This is the easier sum. I just wait. There are 8 minutes time is there. I just want answer from your side. Question number 5th. If you understood, 100% you will answer. And if you are not able to understand, then you will not answer. You are not asking or something. So we are changing either sec, both sec or both cosec. The first one I was considering, I'm writing sec 4a is equal to cosec 90 minus 4a. And right hand side cosec a minus 20, we are writing as it is. Now if you check, this cosec and cosec both are same. It means the down angle, this angle after this, both are equal. So we can write it as 90 minus 4a is equals to a minus 20. A you bring this side, what you get? Minus 5a is equal to minus 110. So a is equals to 110 divided by 5, that is 22 degree. Others, now it's clear. Others, Paul, Drishi, it's clear to you? Drishi,
Yes, sir.
it's clear. Fine. Next.
Yes, sir.
Next question is question number 6th one. That is, this question, who can do this?
Done it, sir.
You already
Sir, I
done?
got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, fine. How you did?
Cos A by 2. Cos A by 2.
How you
Answer.
got this answer?
Oh, sir, yeah. Since sum of angles of angle ABC is 180 degrees, hence you got A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. Then, sir,
Yeah, you are writing that interior angles. So as we know that angle sum property of triangle, right? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. See,
and
children,
sir, yeah, angle B plus angle C equals to 180 minus A.
yeah. So see in this question, what they are asking here is, they are given that if ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC, you know, children, if any triangle, right angle triangle is there, sum of all the angles is equals to 180 degree. That you know already, right? So next question they're asking, you have to show that sine B plus C by 2, it is not only C by 2. Its question is like this: sine B plus C whole divided by 2 is given over here. Don't write only B plus C by 2 is equals to cos A by 2. Okay, children, everywhere 2 you can see B by C, B plus C by 2 also, and A by 2 also. So what we do, you know, we just divide whole thing by 2 over here. So what we do, we just divide whole thing by 2 here also, here also. Okay, so what we get here? See, sine B plus C by 2 we have to write. The sine B plus C by 2, what we can write, children? Leave it as it is here. So we can write B angle B plus angle C by 2 is equals to, we can write 180 by 2 minus angle A by 2. Children, can we write like this or not? This 2 is for A also, B also, C also. So angle B plus angle C divided by 2. Can we write angle A divided by 2 is there here? I will send this angle A by 2 this other side. Children, it's clear or not? Please
Yes.
let me know. Once again, I'm explaining. Once again, I'm explaining here. See, we have to get B plus C by 2. It means that this 2 is there, no? That 2, this 2 is for B also, C also, A also, okay? So if you're writing B plus C by 2 is equals to 180 by 2 as it is we are writing here. And this A by 2 we are sending on the other side. So we're getting minus A by 2. So 90 minus, we can write here sine 90 minus A by 2. And sine 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. Proved. If anyone having doubt, please let me know. Okay.
No, no doubt.
Next question is question number 7. This is much easier than among all, okay? This is the last question of exercise 8.3 and easiest also.
Sir, can you one scroll
The
up?
result cos 23 plus sin 15. Answer.
Yeah. Who is having doubt? Someone is asking, some girl, Chanchal or Rishi?
Sir, one scroll up.
1 minute. Yeah. You want to write or you want to understand something?
Sir, how did sign come?
Sign is already there here only, no? In the question, the sign is there. This is the question only. This is a part of question. We have to prove this part. This is the part of question.
Okay. Sir, how to write in stepwise or we can write directly?
Step by step. First, see, you have to start from here. Angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C divided by 2 is equals to, sorry, not divided by 2. First, you write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180. You can write. Dividing by 2 both sides. What do you get? This you can write. Okay. So first you find this one. Then you start from here. Okay. So I'm writing here a step. Which step you should write first? This whole part is your first step, and you can start second step here. Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, next question is, see, in question number 7, here they're asking that you should bring this degree part between 0 and 45 degree. So this is the easiest way to do this. Okay, sine 67, what we can write? Sine 90
Sin
minus
23 cos
90 minus what? 23, right?
23.
And here we can write cos 90 minus
90 minus 15.
90 minus 15.
15.
Yes. 90 minus 15. So already you converted. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos 23 degree.
Cos 23 and plus sin 15.
So this is your answer. That's it. So these all are questions, 1 mark question they'll ask, 7th one and all these type questions.
Sir, can you repeat the last step?
See, I'm repeating completely. Okay, see, sine 67, we can write sine 90 minus 23. Tell yes,
Yes,
or no?
sir.
Okay, again cos 25, we can write cos 90 minus 15. Then you have
Yes,
to
sir.
then you have to apply complementary angles formula. Sine 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. And in place of theta, what is there? In place of theta, 23 is there. So cos 23. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So sine, where is theta? 15 is the theta. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That's it. So children, that's for today. Okay. I'm just in this one. I'm just sharing in the Google Classroom. You can look into it. And if you're having doubt, you can ask in the next class. Not a problem. Okay, children. Thank you
Okay.
all. Take care. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye, children. Thank you all.